Now let us start exercise number 5, the relative pronouns who or which. Before solving this exercise, I would ask you, anybody knows about these? Anybody can tell me what is the pronoun? What is the pronoun? How many of you know what is the pronoun? Before studying something about the relative pronoun, we should know what is a pronoun. And I hope you have studied. Mayank is raising his hand up. Yes, Mayank, beta say.
Ma'am, pronoun.
Yes.
A pronoun is a name of a person, place, animal or thing.
Pronoun is a
Name of
that you are telling me the definition of noun, beta. I'm asking about pronoun. Yes, Aradhya is raising her hand up. Say, Aradhya.
Words which are used at the place of noun are called pronoun.
Words which are used instead of nouns, in place of nouns, are called the pronouns. Can anyone say the examples? Examples of pronouns? Can you say examples of pronouns? Okay, nobody is raising hand up. Okay, Aradhya, tell me what are the pronouns?
Is, you, we, are, they, them, etc.
Yes, I, we, you, they, he, she, it. All these are the pronouns. Clear? And now we are going to talk about the relative pronouns. Clear? Relative pronouns. The relative pronoun, relative word means which creates a link, relation. Okay, a relative pronoun is related to a noun. It is related to a noun that comes just before it. Clear? These relative pronouns are written soon after the noun. Clear? Now we will be discussing about who and which. The pronoun who is used mainly for people. Clear? The pronoun who is used mainly for people. But sometimes this can be used to refer to animals that are mentioned by name. Usually we use the pronoun who for people, but we can use it for animals also when an animal is mentioned by name. Clear? Sometimes in the chapters when we study, read the chapter, we can see the names of animals are given. For example, the dog is given the name tiger or jumbo or whatever the name. When the animal is given a particular name, that time also the pronoun who can be used. And the relative pronoun which is used for animals in a general way. For animals in a general way. And also it is used for the things. Clear? It is also used for the things. Okay. So here is an exercise 5. Fill in the blanks using the above relative pronouns. You have to fill either who or which. Clear? The first sentence says, there was a farmer dash had many children. There was a farmer. Who will answer me? Yes? Sure it?
Ma'am, who?
Yes. Who? Because you can see here there was a farmer. We are, this word who is related to the noun farmer. Clear? And farmer has come just before this relative pronoun. Good. Second sentence. This is the boy dash is to blame. This is the boy dash is to blame. Mayank?
This is the boy who has.
This is the boy who is to blame. Very good. Next is the book dash my father gave me is good. Ojas?
Ma'am, which?
Yes. Book is a thing. So the pronoun which will be used here. The lion dashes in the cage is very strong. Anybody raise your hand, Apita? Yes, Vishakha? The lion which, because lion is here animal in a general. Clear? Lion is not a special name here. So the pronoun which will be used here. Okay? Now opposite words. Words which are having the opposite meanings. We can make opposites by adding the prefixes dis to some words. For making opposites, we can add the prefix dis. Prefix means letter or group of letters which are added in the beginning of the word. Clear? For example, appear. When we add the prefix dis before it, it becomes disappear. Okay? So, like can be dislike. Like can be dislike. So put the tick here. Tick. Your question is tick words from the following to which we can add prefix. So with like we can add dis. So put the tick mark here. Agree can be disagree. Next word is eat. Eat cannot be diseased. Okay, so put cross. Believe. Believe can be disbelieve. Put the tick mark. Color can be discolor. Put the tick mark. Clear? Color can be discolor. Now, exercise number 7. Is, are and was were. Is and are we use in the present tense, and is we use when the subject is singular, and are we use when the subject is plural. Clear? Let's solve this exercise. And then the next is was or were. Was or were. Was and were are used. These are the helping words which are used in the past tense. Was we use when the subject is singular, and were we use when the subject is plural. So the first one, there is a farmer. It is already done there. What are you doing? Right here are. What are you doing? There is nothing to be done. There is nothing to be done. They dash friends. They are friends. You can see here they is plural subject. So we use the verb are with it. Clear? They are friends. Now use was or were. There was a farmer. It is already done there. What were you doing? What were you doing? There was nothing to be done. They were friends. Okay. Write in the blank spaces, all of you. They were friends. Now, I hope you all have done. Come on, exercise number 9. Exercise number 9. Find as many words as you can from the bubble. In the first bubble, the word environment is given. From environment, we can get the word iron, on and men. And the second word is given management. So we can make the word man. We can make the word AGEH. We can make the word GEM, gem. We can make the word MEN, men. So 4 words we can make here. Now at last listen your homework. Make as many sentences as possible for the box given below. Here exercise. I hope you all have done. Raise your hand up if you have done exercise 7. If exercise 7 is done, please raise your hand up. Okay, all have done good. Now I will erase this. Your homework, note down your homework. Your homework is exercise number 8. Make as many sentences as possible from the box given below. You will be doing this exercise in your rough copy for your practice. For example, he is the boy who came here. He is the boy who met me. This is the pencil which he bought. Likewise, so many sentences you can make. Here you can see 1, 2, 3 tables are given. Clear? You have to choose the phrases from each table and you have to make the sentences. Clear? And this exercise you will be doing in your rough copy. Okay? So I hope you all have done this work.